What's up guys, Keitora YYC in the house, back with another video, back with another unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing the latest special edition mochi from Dasai. This is Yamanote Mochi, and without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing and then we can talk more about it. Alright, here we go. So yeah, this is the latest mochi from Dasai, Yamanote Mochi, and that's super awesome. So this one is inspired by the JR Yamanote line. That's one of the train line that runs through Tokyo. It's the circular line. Oh, that's awesome. They made it look like a train car. So that's the wheels. Oh yeah, see, car number 7. Oh, there we go. So yeah, the Yamanote line, it's the JR rail line. It's a circular line that runs through Tokyo, and it kind of connects all the main stations. So some of these areas you may have heard of: Tokyo Station, obviously, Shinjuku, Shibuya, and then Ikebukuro and Shinagawa, and also Ueno Station. So it's really cool. If you've ever been to Japan, in Tokyo, there's a good chance you've taken the Yamanote line. It takes about 1 hour to do a full loop, but yeah, very famous line there. So really cool boxing here, really cool packaging. They made it into the train car, so that's super awesome. If you're interested in the mochi, Bosozoku mochi from Dasai, I have an unboxing of that. You can check it out right up here. And then I've also unboxed the Tokyo mochi, which is another special edition mochi, and you can check that out up here as well. Just a note, I didn't receive the instruction manual for Tokyo mochi, even though it's supposed to come with one. And I did reach out to Dasai support, but they completely ignored me. So tisk, shame on you, Dasai. You know, be better at your customer service. I've heard the stories, but now I've experienced it myself. So without further ado, let's open up Yamanote Mochi and check it out. Alright, here we go. Here we got our mochi. So yeah, mochi version 2. So this one does come with a startup manual. Good stuff, thank you. So you can pause if you want to look at that. Just tells you how to use all the buttons and everything. And then here is the face gallery. So yeah, another thing I just noticed, this is incorrect. This is the manual for just the regular mochi version 2. And as you can see, when we'll open up Yamanote Mochi, it doesn't have these faces. It's going to have different special Yamanote line inspired faces. So obviously they're having some sort of issue. Tokyo Mochi didn't come with a manual, even though it's supposed to. They have the wrong manual for Yamanote Mochi. So I mean, I don't know what's going on, but just letting you guys know. I reached out to Dasai for info on that, and they simply ignored me. So more detail on the box, really cool there. They made it look like a train car, obviously. And then you can see the doors with the Tsurikawa. I did some Tsurikawa videos. If you want to check that out, you can check that out right up here as well. And then yeah, let's check out mochi. So we'll take a look at what's in the box first. So here's one double-sided sticky Velcro pad, so that's to mount mochi. And then it's coming with a USB-C cable to power mochi. and then a second Velcro pad. That's good. Always good to have spares. And what do we have here? So let me, I really like this. Let's keep it, okay, that's pretty cool. Seems like some sort of, okay, so it's not a sticker. So, wow, that's actually really cool. So this is just a protective plastic, but this is a replica JR Yamanote line ticket, but obviously it's Dasai and Mochi inspired. That's actually really cool. So I do like how kind of they're including bonus type things with their limited edition mochis. So if you remember, Tokyo Mochi came with like that coaster token thing, and then Yamanote Mochi comes with the ticket. So that's really cool. I'm down with this. All right, and now let's take a look at Mochi himself, or Mochi itself. I don't know, does Mochi have a gender? Alright, Yamanote Mochi, let's go! So as you can see, it's the JR themed, JR inspired helmet. Overall, pretty standard Mochi design, just with the themed helmet. So, and then obviously you can change the helmets obviously, and then the guts of the Mochi are more or less the same. You have a button here on this side. There's your speaker, USB power, and then we've got no buttons here because it probably doesn't have as much customization. So yeah, only the one button on this side. So we'll take a look, snap it in, and let's go ahead and power it up. That's super awesome. So yeah, pretty much the special thing about Yamanote Mochi is every time it boots up, it actually plays one of 38 jingles for all 38 stops on the Yamanote line. So for those of you who are familiar with it, you know what I'm talking about, but if you're not, every station on the JR line plays different music when the train arrives. And yeah, so when you plug and turn on Yamanote Mochi, it's going to randomly select one of the 38 stops and then play the jingle from that stop. So let me do it again. So let's see which stop we're going to get next. I'd like to see Akihabara Station, but let's see what happens. Oh, I was too off from Akihabara. That's super awesome. For those of you who have been to Japan, or live in Japan and take this train or have taken it, it's really a great feeling when you see Mochi doing the same thing. So just a note on the actual normal face animations. So this is updated with all the Mochi V2.5 animations, which aren't special to JR Yamanote Mochi, but yeah, obviously that boot up sequence is. So super awesome. And there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Yamanote Mochi from Dasai. Details are down in the description below. And as always, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you saw, please give this video a like, and also consider subscribing. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.